All right. 8306A. It's time to get the room tour. I just got in here and still learning my way around. But so far, I mean, Virgin's idea of cruising is to be different, and so far, very much so. A lot of fun. I like it. My embarkation slot is 2 o'clock, and I got on right on time. It's about 2:20, 2:30 right now. The room is everything I want it to be. I'm really impressed because I was getting kind of bored with cruising, with this being cruise number 49 for me. First Virgin, though. And this looks like a lot of fun. Typically with balcony cabins, I don't know if it's the same with Virgin, they alternate between having the bed in front and probably the chair, or if there's a couch or something, and then some cabins have it over here. So having the bed near the window, I really like. So that's good, but they may all be like that on the ship. Give you a quick, I'm going to try to make this video quick, and I'm probably going to shoot a different one later because there's a lot to learn. I've been in here for 15 minutes, and a big part of that, you can actually see me, has been watching the safety video. And it's the first thing they make you do, which makes sense. But yeah, it does look different. It's got the Virgin flair. We have a mini fridge in here. You are allowed to bring, oops, if I can open it. I always open these things the wrong way. You are allowed to bring 2 bottles of wine per cabin. I brought 1 because I do have a $350 bar tab, and it's 4 days. I don't know how much alcohol I can drink. Nice closet with, oh my goodness, I'm gonna try to figure out how to put the lights on better. Lots of drawers. It looks really well done. Safe, life jacket, and more closet space here. Bathroom is smaller than a lot of ships. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, do you need to entertain in here? It's stylish, which you like. It's got those kind of peachy pink lights that make even ugly people like me look good. The shower looks nice and roomy. So, and it's got like one of those rain heads that can filter down, and it's got the magic wand that can do all kinds of fun things. Use your imagination. It's kind of, but the room itself is, I mean, I'm in love with it. The mirror lights up. Now, one of the really cool things, that's mine, but this is how you control everything in the room, is this crazy pad, and I don't know how to work it yet. I just hit pumped up, and it changed all the colors and the features in the room. Maybe we can try Hangover, see what it's like. And it closes. And by the way, you have remotes to do these individually, too, I think. That closes the blinds, and you can, remotely close the blinds. That would be nice for my naps. Get it on? Ooh. So we can make it nice and romantic. That shuts off all the lights. That's not what I wanted to do. How about, we had pumped up on Zen. Let's see what Zen does. Did Zen do anything? Yeah, it's actually, I like all this crazy stuff. I am going to try to figure this out later and do a better video. Oh, that was the safety video, and we have services. Let me see if I can open this thing up again. Cabin curtains. This means open. Oh, I broke my cabin curtains. How do you like that? Oh, because I'm on Zen, probably. Oh, this is photo shoot mode. Yeah, I broke my curtains. That's okay. No, I didn't break my curtains. I probably am going to break something. But this is a dumb video to do when you've been in a cabin for 15 minutes and it's a little different. They give you water, and you're supposed to have refillable water bottles. I have like 40 bottles at my house, and I've got to bring one, so that kind of sucks. Now, this is a balcony room, and I bought a balcony guarantee. And when you buy a guarantee, you figure you're going to get the worst balcony. And that's what I got. But it's obstructed view, which says limited view. And it's really not bad. You've got a lifeboat if you look down. But I can live with this. If you wanted to pick your own room, it was $600 more, and for 4 nights, pay $600 to be up at level and not have lifeboat in front of me doesn't make any kind of difference to me. So I did actually bid $55 to see if I could upgrade, and I didn't think I was going to get it. The minimum bid was $50, and I figured I'll put an extra $5 into it to see if, some people might just put $50. The coolest thing is this really cool hammock. They're noted for this, and I kind of want to either nap in it or sleep in it. We'll see if that actually happens. All right, that's it for the room tour for now.